Ciucas, one of the most popular mountains in Romania. And the mountain trails here are pretty easy to hike, which makes it particularly suitable for day trips with kids. The trail starts at Bratocea pass. There are plenty of parking slots here if you come early in the morning. We follow the trail into a wide clearing. We soon get back into the forest and the hike gets a bit more intense. In about 1 hour and a half from the start, we finally leave the forest behind and we enjoy the views. This is the last part of the ascent, again a bit more intense. But in less than 1 hour, we should be reaching the top. After a good rest on the top, we go back down on the same path, but at a higher pace this time since a storm is coming our way. The trail is very well marked with plenty of red striped signs along the way. It took us about 6.5 hours to complete the trail. We hiked around 16 kilometers with 850 meters elevation gain.